Hi boys and girls, today we're going to practice writing our numbers all the way to 20. Some of the numbers have been done for us, so we just have to finish the numbers that are missing. So we started with number 1, and what comes after 1? Good, please write a 2. And after 2 we have 3. 4. After 4 we have what number? 5. Good. After 5, what number do we have? 6. 7. What number comes after 7? 8. 9. And then we have 10. Very good. Did you get all of your numbers to 10? Nice job. If you did, give yourself a smiley face right here. Good work. Now we're going to start on 11. So we're going to write 11. And after 11 is 12. A 1 and a 2. So we have 11, 12, and next we have 13. So we're going to write a 1 and a 3. 14 is already done for us, so what comes after 14? 15, very good. 16, and then 17 is 1, 7. 18, 19, a 1 and a 9, and then 20. Now I want you to go back over your numbers, and as I touch them, I want you to count. Ready? Say 1, 2, 3. Keep counting. 10. Good. Keep going at 11, 15, Good. All right. Nice job with your numbers today. Please make sure that your name is at the top. And then do what your teacher wants you to do next.